got me going on every single beat. It's my heart so deep. Wanna wrap my arms around you, cause you sweep me off my feet. Girl, you know
Hi
that
guys,
there
it's
ain't
Melanie
no
and welcome back to Living Luxuriously for Less, where we celebrate, decorate, and enjoy everyday life for less. Well, in today's video, I am going to be sharing with you guys some absolutely gorgeous blush pink and red and other Valentine's Day inspired centerpieces. So if you have a wedding or an event or some type of special celebration coming up, hopefully these centerpiece ideas will be inspiration for you. So with that being said, we're going to get started with my first centerpiece. Super duper duper easy to do, super easy to duplicate. I will be leaving the recipe for all of the centerpieces that I'll be sharing with you guys, along with all of the tools that you need, down in the description box below. So be sure to check the description box if you are looking for where can you find this, where can I buy something like this, any of those questions. The answer is look down in the description box below. So let's get started with the first centerpiece, which is a beautiful ostrich feather centerpiece. You guys have seen me do this before in white, but today I'm going to be doing it in blush pink. So let's get started. So for this centerpiece, all you need is a bridal bouquet holder and 30 ostrich feathers. You can have them, I'm doing them in blush pink, you can do them in white, you can do them in red, you can do them in whatever color you choose, but it's simple, easy to do. Let's go. So the first thing I do is just start at the bottom, and I just start putting them all the way around the bottom. And I think these are the 14-inch feathers. I'm just going to go all the way around. And then for the next one, I want to just fill in between the last set of feathers.
You know you got me, baby. I love the things you do. Maybe I'm getting into trouble, but I just wanna be your lover, baby. Cause you're making me feel. I love when it feels right. It is just one of these nights. Love so strong, can't be wrong. All because of you. I love when it feels nice. You're the apple of my eye. Love so strong, can't be wrong. All because of you. Cause I love it. Love when it feels right.
Okay, so that concludes our first centerpiece. I hope you guys enjoyed that quick and easy, super duper duper easy tutorial. I am going to share with you guys the next one. Okay guys, so next is the amazing Sue wall. It is absolutely gorgeous. And I want to go ahead and do a quick unboxing with you guys. As before, again, the innovation is so different. Oh my gosh, this is so gorgeous. I can already tell I'm gonna love it. This is pink, it's a lighter pink. So I am, whoops, absolutely loving it. So let me move this out of the way. All right, so I'm gonna pull it back for the big reveal. Again, remember you can use these as runners, toppers, so many different uses. OMG, is that not freaking gorgeous? And it is so different from what's behind me. Look at that, look at the detail. Ooh, perfect for Valentine's Day. Oh my goodness, I love it. So let's get this put up. We're gonna do it in a time lapse since we've already done this one. Same, design, same new innovative zippers instead of the, what do you call those things?
Velcro.
Instead of the Velcro, that's right. So same new zippers instead of the Velcro. So let's get into this one. Before we get started with the time lapse, I just wanted to share to you guys, or with you guys, the importance of having a backdrop at any type of celebration. If there was just one piece of decor that I could choose for a Valentine's Day themed wedding, party, or event, it would definitely be a backdrop. The backdrop is the focal point of all of your celebrations, and people are going to take pictures there more than anywhere else in the room. And Rose Morning offers very high quality walls. You guys know I have been working with them for quite some time, and their walls have lasted and lasted and lasted. I absolutely love the new innovation in it. I will link a video that I did going into more detail about it, but if you guys are interested in getting a wall from rosemorning.com for your next celebration, I will leave that link down in the description box below.
When it feels right. Ooh, I love when it feels right. Ooh, dancing really close. This is how it goes. Opposites attract. Guessing everybody knows. Fire on the floor, sneaking out the door. We're just getting started, lady. Now I really want some more. Girl, you know that there ain't nobody moving like you. You know you got me. I love the things you do. Maybe I'm getting into trouble, but I just wanna be your lover. Cause you're making me feel. I love when it feels right. It is just one of these nights. Love so strong, can't be wrong. No, because of you. I love when it feels nice. You're the apple of my eye. Love so strong, can't be wrong. No, because of you. Cause I love it. Love when it feels right. Oh yeah. I love when it feels right. Love when it feels right. It is just one of these nights. Love when it feels nice. You're the apple of my eye. Won't stop till the daylight. Cause I don't ever wanna leave. I don't wanna leave. It's way beyond bedtime now. I'd give it up on love, but now I believe. Love when it feels right. It's just one of these. Love so strong, can't be wrong. All because of you. I love when it feels nice. I love it in my eyes. Oh yeah. Love so strong, can't be wrong. All because of you. I love when it feels right. It is just one of these nights. Love so strong, can't be wrong. All because of you. I love when it feels nice. You're the apple of my eye. Love so strong, can't be wrong. All because of you. Cause I love it. Love when it feels right. Love when it feels right. Hey. It's just one of these nights. Love when it feels nice. Yeah, the apple of my eye. Love when it feels right. It's just one of these nights. Love when it feels nice. The apple of my eye. Hey, I got to have you, baby. I do. Feels so right, huh? It feels so right. It feels so right.
Now that the wall is up, let's talk about more centerpieces, you guys. You can get as fancy with this as you want to, but they are very simple to do. You can grab some flowers from your local supermarket such as Publix or Trader Joe's and just arrange them to your liking. It can be so much fun and so therapeutic. Here's a quick tutorial. These love letter floral arrangements are so very easy to do. You would start out with your greenery and then add in your roses and berries and all of your other accents and just go with the flow. I love the organic look of this. It was so very easy to do, and I definitely encourage you guys to try it. Okay, you guys, so last but not least, let's talk about the food. The charcuterie boards are all the rave right now, and these are so simple to do. Inside of my intimate event planning for Valentine's Day and other special day course, I am showing you guys how to put together this meat and cheese charcuterie board, and also a dessert theme one. I think you guys will totally enjoy it. Right now it is on deal for $49, which is 50% off of my normal price. Now this class is going to increase after the deadline, because I have had people to really do well from this course. So definitely go ahead and get in it while you can. I will leave that link down below, but we will talk all about food. And when you're planning your event, you know, think about something simple and easy and something that is beautiful that everyone is going to enjoy. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you enjoyed this tutorial and lessons like this one, I would love to invite you to be a part of my online learning community at luxeacademy.online. In this particular school, I teach you guys every single thing you need to know about event design, event decor, event planning, and event coordinating. Once you finish this eight-week course, you will be fully certified to operate as an events professional with confidence. So if you guys are considering joining, I have several classes available. I will leave that link here and down in the description box below. Also, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe on this video, because it helps the YouTube algorithm to know that you enjoy content like this, and it will suggest more of it, not only my content, but content from several other creators that do the same thing that I do as well. It will suggest that content to you more often. So be sure to do that for me. I love you guys to the moon and back. Until next time, it's Melanie with Living Luxuriously for Less. Cheers!